Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class Junior 1 and today's topic is a bird with stem without color. So dear student, look at the board how to draw the bird with stem. Just use first the circle and draw like this. First draw like this, okay, or you can use 3. This one is not easy to you can use 3 like this and then use 3 and draw this. After that give the beak and give this type of line, give eyes and the fin and the tail. Though here is mentioned the stem, you must give the stem like this. This one is very easy. So dear student, practice at your home and submit your SW. SW number is 10. No more today. Thank you.